We are here today at Gold Rush Denver with my friend Travis, who has some cool stuff to show us today. What do you got there, my man?
Heck yes, I got our Thermo Scientific X-Ray Gun here. This is what we use to figure out what's on the inside of things that we don't know. We don't want to cut into them, but we gotta make sure they're legit. So the way this works, beam emitter comes out the top there, digital display in the back. This is gonna be our periodic table of elements. And right here, looks like you brought me some pure silver, so AG is gonna be our silver. Now let's take a look at the display, 999. That's gonna be an ounce of pure silver, my man.
Wow, all right. Do you have something that's not silver or gold? I'm curious what that looks like.
So this is old 90% US currency. You'll see that 90% come up there. The rest of it's gonna be copper on that one.
Okay.
And we get a whole bunch of fake stuff here.
So was that just a $half there?
That was just a quarter there on that one.
Okay,
Yep, like
so
Yep,
pre-1964?
1960, pre-1965. So 1964 and older, you got 90% silver in dimes, quarters, $half, and dollar coins there.
Okay.
So this is a fake bar here, a gold bar, which is exactly why we have our X-ray gun. Don't want to cut into this there, but we got to make sure it's not filled with lead. So as you can see, AU should be our periodic element there for gold, but that one, not a lick of gold in it at all.
Oh. Okay, so that is, what is CU?
That'll be copper. Let's see, you got 86% copper, you got 7.5% zinc, 5.5 nickel, and you got just less than 1% gold, just enough to make it look gold, feel gold, but it's gold plated all day. Absolutely.
Which is why it's good to deal with people that are trustworthy and build relationships in the business, and like folks like Travis here. And what's the website if people are in the Denver area?
Yeah, absolutely. So it'll be just Gold Rush Denver. That's going to be this store here. You can check us out. Just goldrushdenver.com. Absolutely.
Yeah. And I've come here a couple times because every once in a while I forget to transfer something in time. And, you know, it's great having you guys here. I had a couple ounces of silver for a little partying money for the weekend. And thanks for the video, Travis. Great to meet you, and hope folks come find you soon.
Heck yeah, hope to see you guys soon. Absolutely. I appreciate it, my man.
Right on.